Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to be using the iCarsoft POR version 3.0 and I'm going to show you how to get the gearbox or the transmission fluid temperature. So whether you've got a Tiptronic or a PDK and maybe perhaps you need to change the oil in that gearbox, then this tool will show you what the temperature is, because there are certain temperatures that you need to release the oil at a certain temperature. So this tool will do that, and it's just a really quick video on showing you how to do that, okay? You can buy it at Diagnostic World. I'll pop the link in the description below this video. So we're going to click into Diagnostics. This works on Tiptronic or PDK, and it doesn't really matter what kind of vehicle you've got. The vehicle that we're in right now is a 981 Porsche Cayman. So we're just going to go down to Control Unit, select the vehicle, go down to Control Unit, and we're going to select TCM, that's Transmission Control Module. Now for some reason, the iCarsoft tools, they always put it as a Tiptronic transmission control, but it doesn't really matter if it's a PDK or a Tiptronic, it'll allow you to do it either way. You can even go and read fault codes as well to see if there are any PDK fault codes. But what we need to do is go to View Data. We need to go down to temperatures, and then you'll see here it's giving us 3 bits of information. So the first one is transmission sump temperature, actual value, that's automatic transmission fluid, 21 degrees Celsius. Engine temperature, actual value, 49.5 degrees Celsius, that's your coolant, your engine temperature. And then the bottom one is transmission oil temperature, actual value. So these two, top and bottom, are generally going to be the same, and that's what you need to go by. So that's really how to do it. And obviously I'm not exactly sure what the temperatures are for different vehicles, but once it hits that temperature, you can have this live data running with the ignition on but the engine off. So you don't necessarily have to have the engine running like we have. Turn the engine off, put the ignition on, you'll still be able to get this live data. You can see that's going from 21 to 22 now, so it's going up. We haven't driven this car actually, it's just been running for a few minutes, so that's why that temperature's like that. But there it is. Obviously this tool will do lots of other things as well. Diagnose all of the main systems, does a lot of vehicles up to the latest models like the 992 and the Taycans. Not that you've got oil, transmission oil in those, but it does obviously service things as well, DPF, new battery registration, oil service resets, and a lot more. I'm going to pop the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.